Today we are going to learn about parts of speech, and we are going to look at just 3 of them. They are adverb, pronoun, and lastly conjunction. Adverb, pronoun, and conjunction. But first, let us look at this sentence. The skillful basketball player moved very quickly and he scored a point. Can you identify the 3 parts of speech in this sentence? First, let's look at adverb. It describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Some examples are very. She is very annoying. Usually. We are usually here at around 12 noon. Gently. He gently woke up his grandma. Next, pronoun. It replaces a noun or noun phrase that is understood from context. She. The girl ran too fast and she fell down. There. The travelers lost their way in the storm. It's. In the autumn, the tree loses its leaf. Lastly, conjunction, words that join clauses, sentences, or words. Because. She passed the exam because she had studied very hard. But. Serena likes cake, but hates cookie. And. I love English and math. Let's look at this sentence again. Let's identify the adverb. It describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Very describe the movement of the basketball player. Very. Next, let's look at the pronoun. The he over here replaces the noun phrase, the skillful basketball player. And lastly, conjunction. The word and join the both sentence together. Here we have adverb, pronoun, and conjunction.